So in this particular set, we're going to be dealing with a common literal equation, but we're going to be going from slope-intercept form to standard form. Now it's important to know what the different forms are. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, but this time all you need to know is it's a y term, then an equals, then an x term, then a constant term. Now standard form is ax plus by equals c, but again at this time you need to know x term, y term, equals, constant term. So before you start this problem, it's important to write down these different forms. These must be memorized, so the more times you write them, the more likely you'll remember them. So slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Again, don't worry what m and b stand for yet, but at this time you need to know that it's a y term, then equals, then your x term, and then your constant term. Alright, that's slope-intercept form. Now standard form is where you have ax plus by equals c. Again, at this stage, don't worry what a, b, and c. Just know it's you get your ax, by, then c. So it's your x term, then your y term, then your equal sign, and then your constant term. Okay. So again, x term, y term, equal sign, constant term. So in this particular problem, if you look at it, it's y equals negative 4/5 x plus 2. So this is y term equals x term constant term. So this is in slope-intercept form. So what it's saying to do is change it from slope-intercept form to standard form with integral coefficients. So again, we've got to move the x term to the left side because the x term should be coming first. So we're going to go ahead and draw our balance line. We've got to move that negative 4/5 x. Well, the opposite of negative 4/5 is plus 4/5 x. So you do that to both sides. Now again, look at standard form. It's x term first, then y term. So when we write this out, we're going to say positive 4/5 x, then positive y equals positive 2. Alright, now this is in standard form, but now we want this integral coefficients. Integral, just think the word integer, which is non-decimal. Non-decimal coefficients, and coefficients are the numbers in front of letters. Alright, so we want all non-decimals or non-fractions. We want all integers. Alright, so this is where we use that trick on getting rid of fractions in an equation. So we have to multiply the whole thing by the common multiple of the bottom. So in this case, the number that the fractions go into would be 5. So you multiply each term times 5, or 5 over 1. So the first term will cancel out 5, will cancel out, and you're left with 4x. The next term we just do 5 times y is 5y. And then the last term is 5 times 2 is 10.